Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, well, as you can see, we're in the white truck and I have a bed full of Nettos. So we're gonna take the blue truck. I gotta put the wheels in the blue truck because I can't stack those because they're polished. Also, don't worry about the gauges. I think I have a sensor out somewhere because it starts off they're normal, and then if the truck runs a little bit, they switch, and if you run a little more, these two switch again, and they just kind of go back and forth. But either way, like I said, guys, we're getting the new setup put on the white truck today. So like I said, I gotta move some stuff. We gotta get the limited wheels in the blue truck, so we'll get those loaded up in there. We'll take them, get them mounted. And, well, I'm kind of interested to see how these look. Now, I am going to have to order center caps, so the caps that are in there are pretty rough looking, but either way, kind of excited for these. So let's get these loaded up and head to the tire shop. All right, y'all. As you can see, we got them on, and well, I'll quit teasing y'all. These yeah, I dig it. So, like I said, we're gonna polish them one more time. I need to clean the truck up because it's absolutely filthy. These are dirty, they've been sitting. So, yeah, we'll get this washed and then we'll take a look at it. I also have some new headlights on the way. I have some of these that have a clear marker already in the office. So let's get this thing up here. Let's get it cleaned up, and then we will take a look at our new setup. I must say, it looks so much better. Now, we do need to paint the frame still. I'm working on picking a powder coat color for this thing. I'm also looking for some gap guards to cover there, and a few other things. So I have headlights on the way. I have new corners already. We need to repaint this hood, repaint this bumper. It's got some chips and these need re-welded. And, you know, a few other things. I need to find clips for this flare. It's in the back. But I need to find clips for this. Have a small transmission leak from the radiator. Need to get that fixed. And well, a few other things. But let's see. Is she gonna start today? That's well, that was a question. Oh, let's see what we got. I haven't tried to start this thing today. I just got ready for the day. Here the fans kick in. Just, well, just like that. So, this gas is kind of old in here. So that's kind of why it's running like this. But I am going to take this thing around today. Give it a little rev here. Yeah, you can smell that old gas. So now, if it doesn't die, it'll be fine. Like I said, super old gas. I can smell it. So there it goes. Good. So anyway, that is that. But we do need to polish the wheels again, and I'm also going to paint correct this truck. Now it does have some chips on the edge of the door and whatnot, but I need to clean a bunch of stuff up on this. So that's that. I also need to get a new rear bumper because this one's got some rusty looking spots on it. This is actually a different bumper. This bumper came off the truck that the bed and the front fenders came off of. So we swapped out for the flared, bed and fenders off the other truck. But anyway, we'll get this thing cleaned up. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for the headliner, what material I want to do for the headliner, I guess I should say. I'm also trying to figure out what I want to do about the tails. Obviously, I've been building, you know, tails for stuff. So, trying to decide, do I want to keep the clears or build a set of tails like I built for the 6.0 down there? Because these are nice. Don't get me wrong, I do like these. But I think a set of color match tails with the blue pearl, which you can't see because it's super overcast today, but if we come in here, you can kind of see it. So I'm gonna figure that out. But anyway, there she is. She's back. Now, like I said, I need to get gap guards for that, clean up all this stuff. We will get to that. The truck's been sitting for a long time, and well, there it is. But I painted this truck right before I graduated high school in 2018. I literally put the hood on it the morning of graduation, and we drove it. I think that's why the paint on the hood got messed up, because it wasn't cured all the way, and it kind of shrunk, maybe, I don't know. But the hood was still kind of tacky when we put it on and drove to graduation and back. Then went from graduation an hour and some change to go eat and whatnot. But regardless, guys, here she is. So, like I said, I got a bunch of stuff planned for this truck. We're gonna get it cleaned up, get it looking right. At some point, I am gonna repaint this truck because, you know, the paint's not perfect. It's got some mystery dents from sitting here. It's kind of a straight line dent right there. A little bit of tiger striping in pearl, and you know, a few other things. The truck's not perfect. You know, tape line from where we let it sit too long before peeling the tape. I didn't take the handles out, so there's some chips and stuff going on here. You know, stuff like that. In here, we didn't take the window out, but we painted this piece. So at some point, we're going to fix all of that. We're going to completely repaint this thing. This is actually the first vehicle I ever painted, so pretty proud of it still. And I'm actually curious to see if I paint correct it, you know, how it'll look. We'll go from there on that, because some of these little chips and stuff I can fix. This is a little bit of overspray on the trim, but trim's super rough anyway. So anyway, like I said, guys, we'll figure that out at a later point. But the thing runs now, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I got it together last night and I just drove it around and enjoyed it. Everything's been such a pain with the 6.0 and everything else. Like, everything has fought me. So for something to go right was super, super nice. I know y'all are gonna see like 6 videos or so of the white truck, and I filmed all of those within probably 5 hours yesterday. So battery, plugs, wheels and tires, washed it, and finished polishing the wheels yesterday morning. So, you know, that's that. But super happy. So I'm gonna take this thing out, and I'm just gonna kind of enjoy it. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in some way, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day. Also, guys, I wanted to mention, if there's anything y'all want to see done to the truck, drop a comment and let me know. I'm open to suggestions on these. It's been a while since I've done anything with this platform, but like I said, y'all let me know if there's anything y'all want to see. We'll try to make it happen. Same thing with, you know, everything else. But I'm pretty excited to have the white truck back. But anyway, with that being said, now we'll end out the video. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day. More to come on the white truck. Also more to come on the 300 and the 6.0. I have some 300 parts here, and I've been gathering some opinions and stuff on the 6.0. So we're gonna take a look at that thing and you know, kind of see where we'll go from there. I'm also looking at some other trucks, like I mentioned. So who knows? Maybe there'll be another truck in the driveway here before too long. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day.